I am the Cataclysm! I will bury you.
You're toying with death!
I am Deathwing.
Twilight.
This is group 1.
AOE incoming.
Group 2 is next.
Fading on you. Use target you. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Red is up.
Twilight soon. AOE incoming. Fading
3
on
is
you.
next.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let him please.
Target you.
That's a bot.
4, 3.
Rebuff him when we can. Group 3 is next.
Twilight soon.
Group 3 is up next.
AOE incoming.
Group 1 is next. Green is coming up here.
Fading on you. Use. Twilight soon.
This is group 1, right?
Yeah, it's group 1.
AOE incoming.
Group 2 is next.
Fading on you. 3, 2, 2, 1. Use target you.
Tower of Blue Crystal's coming up here.
I'm gonna get the back one.
You grab first. I'll just grab after you. Group 2 is next.
Fading on you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Use. Twilight soon.
Which one is this?
Group 2.
AOE incoming.
Group 3 is next. Pink, call for the Lust for Healers.
Okay.
Fading on you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Use.
Is Taros immuning this?
Yeah, yes. Group 3 is next.
Twilight
Group 3,
Sea.
group 3, group 3. Don't miss.
AOE incoming.
Second most.
Taro AM.
And
Group 1 is next. Drock Raleigh.
I'm not gonna be able to soak that.
Oh no.
I popped it, but I popped it, but
Fading
I'm
on
not
you.
gonna be able to soak
I got pain soak. I got
Yeah, we'll
trigger.
paint
it. Honey
something.
paint something.
Bubble hair, pink, and you can him. Group 1 is next. Siren, you can trank. Maz Desac.
Twilight soon.
Group is this?
Group 1.
Let me-
Okay, Spirit Link. And Zed, Vamp Blood as soon
Fading
as it's
on
up.
you. 3, 2, 1, 1. Use. Target you. 3, 2, 1.
holy
job.
fuck,
See
dude.
you.
Did it. Jesus Christ.
We
Balls
did
are
it. How far is
at the end?